Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today I would like to share with you how we can use a lucky timing in order to help us to be more easy to success. You know, traditionally, any important things we want to do, we need to pick a lucky timing. For example, if we have a new houses we want to move in, or if we have a new business we want to have a grand opening, or if we have a lawsuit we want to win, or a surgery we want to success, or even we want to get married, the timing we pick is so important. To choose a lucky timing, which is really, really important and help you to have a more successful way, and is so important to you. So today I would like to share with you how we can do that. Okay, let's jump on the computer and let me show you more detail, okay? Okay, in order to help us to use the lucky timing, we need to know something about ourselves first. So this is, we mentioned before, there's a video to talk about our zodiac luck. I will put the link down below so you can refer it and then have more details. And first of all, we need to understand that there's a 12 zodiac and you need to find out your own one first. Okay, this is so important. Let's say if you are born in the year of the rat, then it's different. Okay, here is the year of the rat. If you're born in those period, your zodiac is the year of the rat. Okay, here is the year of the ox. Here is tiger. Here is rabbit, dragon, snake, horses, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. I suggest you need to find out your own zodiac first. I will also put this description, these details in the description so you can check it out first, or you can pause the video or go back to see that which one is your zodiac. Then we can keep going to do that, okay? Okay, once you find your own, you can find your own zodiac, it's more easier for us to talk about how we can calculate the lucky timing for each of them. Okay, we have a table here. This table you can download it in my website. I put a link down below. It's in the yearly Feng Shui tips for the current year, so you can download it in my website free of charge. And this table actually is start from the rat first. So rat is the first zodiac. We have a rat here, and then ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. So 12 zodiac. So we can go through one by one. Okay, let's say if your zodiac is a rat, this is your lucky timing. So every single day, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. is really good for you. 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. is your lucky timing. If you want to have some important things to do, you can make use of those good luck timing and stay away from the bad luck timing. So for the rat, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. is your bad luck timing. 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. is not really good. So stay away from those bad luck timing, especially those lunch meeting is not really good for you. And if your zodiac is an ox, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. is your lucky timing. 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. is your lucky timing, so make use of it. And stay away from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., which is not really good for you. And the dinner appointment, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So if you have something important to do, make use of the good luck timing, stay away from better timing, it will help. Or if your zodiac is a tiger, your lucky timing is 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. The better timing is 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. If your zodiac is a rabbit, your lucky timing is 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. The bad luck timing is 5 p.m. to 7 p.m., 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. is your bad luck timing. Okay, if your zodiac is a dragon, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. is your lucky timing. 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. is your lucky timing. 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. is your better timing. And 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. is also not really good for you. Okay, If your zodiac is a snake, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. is really good for you. 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. is also good. 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. is your bad luck timing. 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. is your bad luck timing. If your zodiac is a horse, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. is good for you. 11 p.m. to 3 a.m., 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. is not really good for you. If your zodiac is goat, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. is your good luck timing. 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. is your good luck timing. And 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. is not really good for you. 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. is also not really good for you. If your zodiac is a monkey, 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. and 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. is your lucky timing. For the better timing is 9 p.m. to 11 p.m., 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. If your zodiac is a rooster, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. is your lucky timing. 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. is your bad luck timing. If your zodiac is a dog, 3 a.m. to 7 a.m., 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. is really good for you. 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. is not really good. 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. is your bad luck timing. Okay, the last one. If your zodiac is a pig, 3 a.m. to 7 a.m. is pretty good for you. 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. is also good for you. And the better timing is 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. is the better timing, so stay away from that. And here, this table have more things to tell you. You can see that this is the timing. Let's say the month of the tiger is this period, from February 4 to February 5. Let's say if your zodiac is rat, ox is good for you, dragon is good for you, monkey is good for you. So you can find that this ox month, so June 5th, 2023, so not this year, next year, to February 4, 2023, that month is good for rat. And also the dragon month is also good. So this month, April 5th, 2022 to May 5th, 2022 is also good for you. And this month, monkey month, August 7, 2022 to September 7, 2022 is the good luck month for the rat. The bad luck one is this one, horse. The month of the horse is June 6, 2022 to July 7, 2022. And the rabbit month, March 5th to April 5th. And the goat month, July 7 to August 7. So if your zodiac is a rat, stay away. Make sure you use those good luck month to schedule something important, and stay away from those bad luck month will help. For every single day, there's also something we can do, but we need to have a more some calendar to convert it. Normally we'll use this calendar to do that, or you can find some website there's some calendar, you can also do that. So you can basically use this table to find the lucky timing to help you, and stay away from the bad luck timing. Anything important, make use of the lucky timing, it will help you, and stay away from the bad luck timing, it will help you to have a more chance to success. And thanks for watching, and I hope you good luck. Thank you.